students, this is Navdeep Kaur from Raigod Public School. We are discussing about plus 2's biology. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 3, human reproduction. Human reproduction, there is only sexual reproduction in human beings. They show sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism means कि we can identify male and female by their morphology, by observing their morphology only. Means from their physical appearance we can judge who is male and who is female. That is called sexual dimorphism. There are two developmental periods in human beings. Embryonic or prenatal period, it is before birth. Post embryonic or postnatal period means after birth, from birth to death or after birth till death. There are some major reproductive events which occurs in human beings. First one is gametogenesis. First event of reproduction is known as gametogenesis, means formation of gametes, male and female gametes. Second one is insemination. Insemination means the transfer of male gametes to the female body by the act of copulation. Third is fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete. Next one is cleavage. Cleavage means formation of blastocyst, means the embryo development up to 32 celled stage, that is called cleavage. Next is implantation. After 32 celled stage, the blastocyst is implanted in the uterus, means it is joined, it fuses with the wall of the it attaches with the wall of the uterus. Next one event is placentation. Placentation means formation of placenta. Next is gastrulation, means formation of gastrula. ब्लास्टोसिस्ट है ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਜੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਫਰਦਰ ਜੋ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਗੈਸਟਰੂਲਾ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਗੈਸਟਰੂਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਜਰਮ ਲੇਅਰਸ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ। ਐਕਟੋਡਰਮ, ਐਂਡੋਡਰਮ, ਦੈਨ ਥਰਡ ਲੇਅਰ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੀਜ਼ੋਡਰਮ ਉਹ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਔਰਗੈਨੋਜੈਨੇਸਿਸ, ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਔਰਗਨਸ। ਬੋਡੀ ਆ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਬੋਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੈਚਿਓਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, then last event is parturition. Parturition means the delivery of a fetus outside the body. Now we will discuss about the human reproductive organs. These are two types, primary and secondary. Primary means which produce gametes and sex hormones, and secondary sex organs are those which helps in the reproduction, which plays an important role in reproduction. Firstly, we will discuss about the male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, we will discuss the side view. I am showing the picture of side view of male reproductive system. The first organ is scrotum of male reproductive system. In scrotum, testes are present. Scrotum is a deeply pigmented pouch in which testes are suspended. It is present in the lower abdominal region between the legs. Scrotum helps in the maintaining temperature for testes lower than the body temperature. 2 to 3 degree lower temperature present in the scrotum from the body of the male person. This temperature 2 to 3 degree lower temperature helps in the production of sperms from the testes. It remains connected through the to the abdomen or pelvic cavity. From here, this is scrotum, and from here it attaches to the pelvic cavity through the inguinal canals. It remains connected through the inguinal canals. Next organ is testes. In testes are primary sex organ of the males because it produces male gamete plus sex hormones, male sex hormones known as androgens. In males, the male sex hormone produced is testosterone. It is produced by testes. Testes having 3 germ layers. I am showing you here. There are 3 layers present on the testes. First one is tunica vaginalis, outer layer. Second one is tunica albuginea. Third one is tunica vasculosa. Testes is covered by 3 layers. Then there are number of chambers present, or these are known as testicular lobules. In these chambers or lobules, there are seminiferous tubules present. Seminiferous tubules produce sperms. Seminiferous tubules are further connected with rete testes. Rete testes are further connected with vasa efferentia. Up to rete testes, this is the structure of testes. Clear? Vas efferentia is further attached with the epididymis. It is also a tubular structure. Epididymis is divided into 3 parts. The anterior part to the testes is known as caput epididymis. Middle part is known as corpus epididymis, and the end part is known as cauda epididymis. Sperms are produced in the testes. These are received by rete testes. Rete testes, from rete testes, these are transformed to the vas efferentia, and then these are carried by epididymis. Then from vas deferens, and from vas deferens these are further goes to the ejaculatory ducts, from where they goes to the urethra. Here, from testes through vas deferens, these goes to the ejaculatory ducts. Here, vas deferens is also joined with the seminal vesicle. Vas deferens coming up to here, where it is joined with the urethra through ejaculatory ducts. This is ejaculatory duct, this part, and up to this vas deferens. It is joined with seminal vesicle and opens into ejaculatory duct, and from ejaculatory duct sperms are transformed to the urethra. From urethra these are transformed to the penis, and penis is the external genitalia of the male through which sperms are released into the female body by the act of copulation. This skin is formed of corpora spongiosum. this one, and it is known as glans penis. Glans penis is covered by a fold of skin that is known as foreskin. Penis has a opening that is called external urethral orifice. It is also known as urinogenital aperture. Why we call it urinogenital aperture? Urino means urine, genital means gametes. Because through urethra, penis carries both urine and sperms through only one opening. That's why it is known as urinogenital aperture. Next are male accessory glands. Male accessory glands, first gland is prostate gland, single large gland that surrounds the urethra. Here it is present. Prostate gland, this one is prostate gland. This gland is known as, it secretes a slightly acidic milky secretion with pH 6.5 which forms 20 to 30% of the semen volume. This secretion contains lipids, enzymes, citric acid, etc. Next one is seminal vesicles. These are paired tubular glands secreting mucus and a watery alkaline fluid which contains fructose hormone that is known as prostaglandin and clotting proteins. These three forms 60% of the semen volume. Fructose provide energy to the sperms, and prostaglandin helps in the movement of sperms in the female body, and clotting proteins helps in the coagulation of sperms inside the female body. There is seminal vesicle, one is present here and one is present at its back. And next one is third gland is bulbourethral or Cooper's gland. This gland. These are also two. It secretes mucus and alkaline fluid into urethra. The mucus helps in the lubrication of penis and neutralizes the urinary acids present in the urethra. इस ग्लैंड ਦਾ जो फंक्शन है बाकी दोनों ग्लैंड्स ਦਾ ਸਪਰਮਸ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਸਪਰਮਸ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਫਰਦਰ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ 'ਚ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਹ ਗਲੈਂਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਮੇਲ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਯੂਰੀਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਯੂਰੀਨ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਥਰੂ ਯੂਰੈਥਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਸਿਡਿਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਲਕਲਾਈਨ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਿਊਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਐਲਕਲਾਈਨ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਫਲੂਇਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਬੇਸ ਤੇ ਐਸਿਡ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਨਿਊਟਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਦੇਣ ਯੂਰੀਨਰੀ ਐਸਿਡਸ ਨੂੰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਿਊਕਸ ਹੈ ਮਿਊਕਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਪੈਨਿਸ ਦੀ ਲੁਬਰੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਿਚ ਹੈਲਪਸ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਈਜ਼ਲੀ ਇਨਸਰਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਪੈਨਿਸ ਇਨਟੂ ਦਾ ਫੀਮੇਲ body. Primary sex organs in male are known as testes because these produce sperms and male sex hormones. Testes are totally 2 in the humans. 2 testes are present, which is see here I have put E, that means plural. If I put I here then it means singular. We are talking about only one testy, single one, and if we are using E then we are talking about both the testes. Secondary sex organs, other sex organs from the vrate testi to the ejaculatory ducts penis, these are known as secondary sex organs which neither produce gametes not secrete sex hormones but perform important functions in the reproduction are termed as ਸੈਕੰਡਰੀ ਸੈਕਸ ਔਰਗਨਸ। ਹੁਣ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਔਰਗਨਸ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਆ ਬਾਕੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਰੀਪਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਪਰਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਦੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ जो हैगा रिलीज़ करन च हैल्प कर रहा। Rated testes, vas afferentia, epididymis and vas afferentia are male accessory ducts which store and transport the sperms outside the male body. Clear? Epididymis also secretes a fluid to nourish the sperms. So this is all about your today's topic. In next topic we will discuss about the structure of female reproductive system. Here is the part of transverse section of mammalian testes. If we cut into if we cut testes into transverse section, then we will see this type of section. Here seminiferous tubules present, Leydig cells are also present in the testes. This is connective tissue, this one, and these are Sertoli cells, long tubular cells. Small cells, there are two types of cells present in the testes. One is germ cells, second one is long tubular cells known as Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells nourishes the growing sperms and the germ cells helps in the formation of germ cells produces sperms. Here stages are mentioned. These are germ cells. Mitosis occurs. From mitosis the spermatids formed. Spermatids further forms spermatozoa. Spermatozoas are lying in the center, these with the tail, and the above structures are known as spermatids. Here the each site is interstitial cells जो होंदे आ रचे वो हैल्प करते ने एंड्रोजनस टेस्टोस्टेरोन्स ਨੂੰ प्रोड्यूस ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ठीक है। स्मॉल ग्रुप्स प्रेजेंट होंगे ने राउंडड इंटरस्टिशियल सैल्स। इंटरस्टिशियल आप इन्हों क्यों बोलते हैं, सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के बिटवीन प्रेजेंट होंगे। आ एक सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल का पार्ट आ जो आपको कट शो हो रहा, आ चीज़ अगर आप इस तरह के नाल कट करते हैं, आ पार्ट शो हो रहा आपको कट किया होया। क्लीयर? ये की है, एक सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल वो इतने प्रेजेंट होंगे ने, दूसरी सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल के बिटवीन, दो सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के बिटवीन जो है ने इंटरस्टिशियल सैल्स प्रेजेंट होंगे हैं जोड़े कि प्रोड्यूस करते हैं टेस्टोस्टेरोन, मेल सैक्स हार्मोन। टेस्टिस के अंदर लेयर्स होंदियां ने, टेस्टिस के अंदर सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स प्रेजेंट है, टेस्टिस के अंदर लेडिक सैल्स प्रेजेंट है, टेस्टिस के अंदर सर्टोली सैल्स प्रेजेंट है। तुहानूं मोस्टली जो हैगा डिफरेंस आउंदा हुंदा रजे बिटवीन लेडिक सैल एंड सर्टोली सैल। सर्टोली सैल्स स्पर्म्स नूं नरिश करन च हैल्प करदे आ ते लेडिक सैल्स ने जिहड़े वो टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन है जिहड़ा वो प्रोड्यूस करदे आ। सर्टोली सैल्स सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट होंगे ने, लेडिक सैल्स सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स के बिटवीन प्रेजेंट होंगे आ। आ भी सैमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल है, दिस वन आल्सो, दिस एंड दिस। तो इन्हां दे विच जो स्पेसिस आ उन्हां दे विच जो सैल्स प्रेजेंट आ दोज आर नोन एज लेडिक सैल्स। दीज आर प्रेजेंट इन ग्रुप्स एंड सर्टोली सैल्स प्रेजेंट सिंगली। सो थैंक यू बच्चे, हैव अ नाइस डे।